everyone, it's Dolphin Treasure here, and welcome to this week's makeup tutorial and cosplay video. Today is a very special day for all you Jacksepticeye fans out there who know this out the top of their heads, or all the theorists out there who just love anything and everything about the Jacksepticeye ethos. Today is Dr. Schneeplestein's birthday. Huzzah! Happy birthday, Schneep! Everybody loves you, you're amazing, mwah, we adore you. You are the good doctor that everyone has come to love and know. And today I'm going to be cosplaying as Dr. Schneeplestein, but with a little bit of a twist. I wanted to do a possessed Schneep, or a corrupted Schneep, where Auntie is like taking over or kind of possessing Dr. Schneep's body. I thought of a pretty cool makeup that, you know, it's kind of simple and it's really fun, and I think a lot of you guys can actually go out and replicate for yourselves, and you can add your own little flair to it here and there. You can add whatever colors you want, you can do whatever design you wanted to, and in the light of the event that today is Dr. Schneep's birthday, I just wanted to go ahead and pay tribute to the good doctor. He's like the cool dad that everybody wants. To get this makeup started, I just got a couple, you know, cheap little makeup things from the store and whatnot. It's just like this base cream kind of makeup stuff. And I'm gonna be coloring his hair green today instead of leaving it brown, just because that's how the character started off as. Ooh, this actually melted out of the thing. I actually left this makeup in the car and it was really hot today, so it actually kind of melted outside of the of its container just a little bit. Also got my color palette right here, which is what I used the last time. So what I'm going to start off with is I'm going to apply like a basic foundation to my face. I'm gonna play around with the corruption bit. The design that I had in mind for the corruption, or for the possession of Dr. Schneep, has like some vein, like dark black veins or dark red veins, like going up the side of his neck and just kind of like interfering with his eye, kind of make this really green and septic and almost like rotting off of his face. Just kind of make it seem like there's a demonic possession going on. He's like that little earworm that just gets inside your head and just kind of burrows, you know, through and through until he fully like possesses you. Given it's also close to spooky month, I thought this would be a really cool design, and plus I like really gory and demonic possession and just really cool demonic things in general. So to get myself started, I'm going to apply a basic foundation just to kind of cover some blemishes. So now that I got the foundation on my face, the next step I'm going to do is maybe do a little bit of contouring line, just so I don't have kind of a flat look. I'm going to go underneath my cheekbones just so I can kind of define my cheeks just a little bit better, and I'm going to probably go down the side of my nose as well on both sides, again, just to kind of help shape it just a little bit, and also so it's not so flat looking. So what I did with the shadows is I just went a little bit underneath my cheekbones on both sides, and I tried to get them as even as possible. And you might have seen me like sucking in my cheeks like this. The reason why I did that is because it kind of follows the natural line of where your jaw is and where your cheekbones are. I'm actually going to paint on the eyebrows and the beard next. I'm going to use a simple flathead brush, just like this, and I'm going to take some black cream makeup. If you guys have facial hair for this part of the makeup, that's perfectly fine. I don't have fake facial hair, so I like to just paint my beard on. So I'm going to paint the goatee, and then I'm going to paint up the side of my face with the beards, and then I'm going to draw on the eyebrows. that's actually looking really nice. I really like that. Oh, that's cool. I want to paint his hair green. So I'm going to take some of my green cream color and I am just going to apply it all over just the top of my head, just right down the middle. Oh, I'm gonna pour this big wallop of green all over my fingers. Just, yeah, there we go. Just this whole glob of green. I'm just gonna go all out, all up in my hair. Yeah, it's looking nice. Okay, cool. All right, time to go for it. Let's just go crazy. Cool looking. Oh, that is really cool looking. I look like my dad with green hair. That looks weird. Awesome, now that I got the green in my hair, next I'm going to do the corrupted part. You guys can have so much fun with this. You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever designs you want. I really like the idea of the eye going green and septic and really gross looking. The first thing I'm going to do is take some black and take some green, and I'm going to paint it around the eye so it looks like it's kind of bruising out. Whatever you want to do, this is your makeup, this is your look. You can make Dr. Schneeplestein look as possessed as you want or just as generic as you want. It's totally up to you what you would like to do. First, I'm going to take some black makeup and I am going to paint around my eye. I'm going to paint underneath and over so it kind of looks like it's bruised, and I'm going to fade it out just a little bit, and I'm going to take some green and I'm going to take some yellow and I'm going to paint around that black area so it looks like I'm going gangrene. Oh, that's actually looking really cool. I really like that. That's really turning out nice. Oh, how cool is that? If you guys also want to put like a little bit of bruising like around the eye as well, so if you want to do like little hints of purples and some reds and some blues, you certainly can. I'm adding in just a little bit because I want to show that it's kind of corrupting not just the side of my face, but it's actually spreading. I'm going to repeat this coloring down here on my neck and have it kind of going up, and then I'm going to draw some black veins. Okay, I think that's enough veins. Oh, that is so cool looking. It looks like I got a tree growing on my neck, but that's still cool looking, and it's like going up the side of the face and into the, oh my gosh, I just love how this is turning out. I broke my mirror. Oh crap, I broke my mirror. Oh well, I don't care. It's fine. It's cool. It's all good. It's all good. It's all fine. I didn't need that bottom part anyway, so it's fine. Well, this actually turned out really cool. I really like the way this is looking. So, alrighty, now that I got the veins and everything on, I think I'm just about done here. Probably the last thing that I'm gonna do is paint like a little bit of a green going down my eye so it looks like I'm leaking and I'm septic. Oh, infections galore, and it looks, oh, nasty. So it's gonna come out of both corners of my eye. I am just about done here. I got the green in my hair, I got the septic eye flow going, I got my awesome veins going, so the next thing for me to do is just pop on my costume and I'm good to go. And here we go. This is my official Dr. Henrik von Schneeplestein costume here. This is what I've had in my closet for a while, so I just thought it looked really good because I really like the concept of him wearing turtleneck sweaters as opposed to just scrubs underneath his jacket. I got some black pants. Black pants, okay? If you guys have a pair of fake glasses that you want to use just for extra oomph, if you have a clipboard, you got some paper, whatnot, I also have a surgical mask, but it's not blue. It's the black one that I use for Auntie's cosplay. So those are just a couple of extra props that you can have for your Dr. Schneeplestein costume. You can have the surgical mask, you can have the surgical cap, you can have the doctor's coat. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope that the makeup tutorial was easy for you guys to follow. If you want to replicate it and you want to send me a picture, you can tweet at me. I can leave my Twitter links in the description below, and I would be happy to see what you guys come up with. Happy birthday, Dr. Schneeplestein! Sorry you got corrupted by Auntie and all this madness, but you know what? This was a lot of fun to make. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to do awesome, be awesome, and stay awesome, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Bye-bye!